We have just arrived in the most beautiful spot at Hideaway Bay in Airlie Beach.
Up at the Whitsundays.
Oh my goodness.
Fun stuff.
It's amazing. The most beautiful view
Just all
ever.
coral reef out
Guys, this is just absolutely magical. We're here at Hideaway Bay. Hideaway Bay. These mountains are just something else.
The coral's a living thing.
How cool.
No, this little homie.
Look at him go.
They're tiny. There's so many of them. They're absolutely everywhere and you wouldn't have even known it.
Oh my god,
See
they
all the
are.
shells?
Yeah, they're all moving.
Millions of them. Everywhere.
That is so cool.
Look at these little things.
I can't believe how tiny they are.
They just look like
Ants.
real.
They're like the ants of the... That's what you call one big mango.
And a big ant. That's a big ant. Oh.
Here we are, we just got to Bowen.
Welcome to the beautiful Bowen. We are just heading up to Horseshoe Bay and it's really beautiful. This is the most far north Codey and I have ever driven, so I think that's pretty cool. We are heading all the way to Townsville from Bowen. We stayed in Bowen last night at a farm stay. We found our wiki camps, which was pretty interesting.
And it was a beautiful spot, Bowen.
It was a really, really beautiful spot. It was like Airlie Beach.
Water was crystal clear blue.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beaches. If you're ever in Bowen, definitely go and check out the Horseshoe Bay. That was so beautiful.
And Rose Bay. There was, I think there was like 5 bays all up.
Yeah, there's like 8 different beaches within a short drive from one another. It was absolutely gorgeous. We just sat on the beach, had a bit of a sunbake. We went for a little swim and a little explore on the rocks up there, and it was really beautiful. This is crazy.
How wide the creek is. That is unbelievable.
What?
Holy shit, we're gonna drive into it!
Oh my god!
That was unbelievable! No
What
way!
was that?
It was like a, what do you call them? Swirly whirlies or whatever they call them.
Yeah,
Swirly whirlies.
I've like seen them on like
I've seen them
movies.
overseas, I don't see them here.
Wow.
It was like a little... That was unbelievable that we just drove into that, like it came straight to the car.
I know.
As we made our way to Townsville, the first stop was the Strand, which has to be one of the nicest waterfront spots we've come across so far. We took a drive along the coastline, checked out the beaches and enjoyed the views. From there we headed up to Castle Hill Lookout, and I tell you what, the views from up there were absolutely unreal, giving us a full view over Townsville, the coastlines and the surrounding areas. Definitely worth the drive up there if you're passing through. And of course, we couldn't leave Townsville without stopping at Frosty Mango for some ice cream. After a big day of exploring in the Queensland heat, it was definitely needed. Townsville was another quick but awesome stop on our lap around Australia. From here, we made our way up to Mission Beach, driving through some of the most beautiful lush green hills we've seen so far. The scenery was absolutely unreal and it was such a beautiful drive. We were so excited because we also got the chance to visit a family friend on their gorgeous property, which was such a special little stop along the way.
This beach is absolute paradise. Down at Mission Beach, or up, I should say.
Hello!
We're gonna go check out some amazing waterfalls today, so this is gonna be a very fun, adventurous day today. I'm so looking forward to it. Wow, what a day.
We have just arrived at the most beautiful spot.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Stunning. We went to go to the Cardwell spa pools, but they are closed due to the season. So we made our way to the Ateet Falls.
Addy Falls.
Addy Falls. It's gorgeous.
It's only 10 minutes away.
10 minutes from the Cardwell spa
Obviously
pools.
there hasn't been a lot of rain recently, so it's very slow. It's still beautiful.
Very, very slimy. I'll sit right here.
That's your spot, is it?
Everybody,
Here we are at Josephine Falls.
we're in this gorgeous waterfall track right now. It's absolutely stunning.
It's gorgeous. Look at this. This is amazing. Josephine Falls. Well, they're certainly boulders, aren't they?
This is unreal.
This is just amazing. Look at the, like, I don't even know how how they're scoped, the boulders. Like, that doesn't even look real.
Feels like we're in Jurassic Park or something right
Literally.
now. Look at
Literally
this.
feels like I'm in a movie right now.
It doesn't
Even just looking out all of here. I feel like there's going to be a dinosaur coming out of nowhere in a minute.
We were saying that even on the drive here, it literally felt like we were driving through
Yeah.
dinosaur territory. Insane. Wow.
This is probably one of the most gorgeous jungles I've ever walked in.
It really is.
What do you reckon?
I reckon this is absolutely stunning. And the rocks, the boulders were incredible. Never seen anything like that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. This is the most unreal tree that we are witnessing. It is the big tree. So cool. What is it called?
It's called a curtain fig tree.
Curtain fig tree.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Incredible.
Well, I just can't believe how it all grows, like all that up there.
And you can literally drive right around the dam wall. So they actually had, they sunk a whole town.
12 million, yeah, on Sunday too.
And here, this is
Nice facility, really. No? Nicely built and looked after.
Wonder how old is it?
Oh, don't run away. No. Come here.
Look at this little one here. So cute. And that one over there. Wow.
Bye, mister.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We've had the most amazing few weeks from Bowen, Mission Beach, Townsville and Cairns. We've seen it all, done the most beautiful waterfalls. We really hope you guys enjoyed our content.
Yeah, it's been unreal. I've had such a blast. It's been such an incredible journey already. And stick around because it's only just starting. We're heading up to the Cape when the real fun and the real adventures, putting this weapon of a truck to the test. We cannot wait. Stick around. This is going to be unreal.
Thanks so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We love to see your comments and yeah, it helps us out.
It's only getting better from here. Keep watching.
Thanks, guys.
You.